This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by validating your HTML5 package and opening Google Ads. First, make sure your zip has index. HTML in an assets folder and stays within the size limit. This prevents upload failures. Then optimize images and code so the creative loads fast. This helps quality scores. Once done, sign into Google Ads and navigate to Ads and Extensions or to the asset library depending on your account type. Now you're positioned to create a new ad and attach the HTML5 package. Next, create the ad and upload the zip. Choose the ad format that supports HTML5 and click Upload HTML5 Creative. Pick your zip file and confirm the preview renders. Make sure click tag variables are implemented so clicks register properly, and supply a static fallback image for platforms that block HTML5. Also enter the final URL, display URL, and name the ad clearly for reporting. Once configured, add tracking templates or custom parameters if you need campaign-level analytics. Finally, run a full review before submission. Use Google Ads Preview to test interaction and device behavior, then save and submit the ad for policy review. Watch the review status and address any disapproval by correcting code or assets and resubmitting. If something goes wrong in preview or review, inspect the browser console for JavaScript errors, confirm server MIME types when hosting assets, and ensure click tag variable names match expected casing. That troubleshooting tip fixes most upload failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.